Hi, in front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Then just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, select Edit button next to the Delete one Delete button next to the Edit one, my bad, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!